guys, how are you doing today? I hope you're all good because for today we are going to be doing some fan origami. Now you're going to need two different colored of A4 sheet paper folded in half and your glue and your scissors, of course. Now what you want to do is put them on top of each other, take your scissors and cut in the middle very carefully because scissors are sharp. There we go. Now we've got 4 pieces of paper. Now what we want to do is mark out the line where we are going to fold the paper by folding it in half, like so. And after folding in half, you want to fold the tabs in half as well, like so. There we go. This will make it easier for you to make it even while you're folding. So mark that out, put the scissors on top so it doesn't move. So you want to do that with your red paper as well. There we go, fold in half, fold the tabs in half once more. Very good. Are you doing some folding? Well done, there we go. Come on, let's do another red. Fold in half and half once more and another half. There we go. Well done everyone. This is our third fan. There we go. And finally, one more orange. Fold in half. Open it. Fold in half one of the tabs to meet the line in the middle. And fold it in half once more. So now you would have 4 lines to guide you. So what you want to do is straighten your paper like this and look at each tab carefully, okay? So we're gonna do the first tab first. Let's fold that in half very carefully, like so. See how I created the line in the middle by folding it in half like this? And now what you want to do is turn it around and fold it over like so. And then you're going to put it again like this, turn it around and fold it over. There we go. So you're going to keep repeating this until you finish all the tabs like so. There we go. So that's our accordion fold right there. And you want to compress that once more, like so. And what you want to do is pinch the middle and fold it over itself like this. So that when you open it, it's going to become a little fan. Take your glue and put some glue on one side of the middle tab and put them together like this and hold it between your hands. There we go. Once it's nicely sticking to each other, you can open it gently to reveal a fan.